Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete folder that won't delete. So this is the folder which is not going to delete, so which I'm going to show you how to delete that. So firstly you need to hit right click on the folder, then click on properties here, and then here we need to go to security tab, and here you will find the option for advanced. So just click here, then you will see the icon for change. We have to click here and then just click on advanced right here also, and then here we need to click on find now, and right here is the main thing where we need to find the thing called everyone. Here you can see that, so just select it and click on OK. Now it is selected here, so here we again need to click on OK. Then here we have to tick this box by the name of replace owner of subcontainers and object, and just click on apply, and here again click on OK right here also, and then again here we need to click on edit, and here we need to click on add and type everyone here, then click on check names. So you can see it is verified, so just click on OK. Then here you can see the everyone is added here, so we have to select it and click on full control. So we just need to allow all the permissions. Once you do that, just click on apply, OK, and here you can just click on OK again. And yeah, it is that simple. Now you can just right click on the folder and try to delete it. It will just automatically going to delete. So yeah guys, that's how you can do this. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.